Is Facebook's unexpected error driving you crazy? Let's outsmart it properly. Does refreshing temporarily fix it? Let me know in the comments below. First, check Facebook's API status at developers.facebook.com/status. On iPhone, offload the app. It keeps data while refreshing system files. For business accounts, try switching between personal and business profile. Nuclear option, use a different device brand temporarily. To prevent repeats, keep your OS 2 versions behind latest. It is most stable with Facebook. Working now? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.